Good afternoon. Myself Dr. Nana Jare, practicing ophthalmologist at Hadapsar area, Nova Drishti Super Speciality Eye Clinic. So today we'll speak about using these multifocal IOLs from Aurolab, that is Dfine. So I have more than 70 IOLs of these Dfine IOLs. So results are pretty good in terms of visual acuity or outcome, patient affordability and satisfaction. Patient satisfaction is pretty good. More than 95% people have visual acuity of more than 6.6. That's good. And near vision is N6 is around 99% people. So one more thing about this IOL is it has 11 concentric rings. So that and diffractive portion has a rounded halos, rounded portions. That's why halos are very minimal. I would recommend this IOL because it has reduced glare as compared to other IOLs in Indian made IOLs. No doubt there is glare, but it's very minimal. Also because of square edge, asphericity, patient outcome in terms of visual acuity is very good. Contrast is good, and because of square edge also PCO rate is very minimal. So definitely I would recommend all of ophthalmologists can use this IOL because results are pretty good from doctor point of view as well as patient point of view, and accountability in terms of your affordability or visual outcome is very nice. So definitely go for this Dfine multifocal IOL from Aurolab.